We've talked about Python environments on Polaris. One of the other parts of Python that people often ask about are Jupyter Notebooks. And we do offer Jupyter as a service at Argonne, so you can log in, gain access to a compute node, run whatever algorithms you might be interested in. So we'll go through that. We're going to log into Jupyter here. We can first choose which machine we're going to log into. So we're going to choose Polaris. And so here I just use my ALCF login information. So I need my phone app to get my unique password. And I will type that in and authenticate. That brings me to the job options. So the first thing the Jupyter Hub is going to do, it's going to launch a job on a compute node for you, so that it can start up the Jupyter server, and then you can run your algorithm on the compute node that you've been allocated. So this is the parameters for the qsub command, and we've covered job submission in the past. I need to update my project to the data science group for this example, and you'll use whatever project you have available to you. And I'm going to keep the number of nodes for this job set to 1, and set a short time limit of 30 minutes. And I'll start that. I can open a terminal on Polaris, which I have here, and I can use the qstat command to show me the job that's running. You can see it's been submitted. It's already in the running state. So it's going to quickly transition me to the server. It's going to drop me into a window with an untitled notebook, and I'm going to select the kernel that's available for that. In this case, when you first start up the Jupyter Notebook on our servers, you only start with the default Python 3 kernel, which is not very useful because it doesn't have anything installed in it, just Jupyter. So it's just enough to run Jupyter. So the next step is to, for instance, if you did the Conda clone or the virtual environment installation from the previous Python environment tutorial, we can add those kernels to our server so that they will give us those as user options when we launch our server. So let's do that next.